Natasha. I am a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes, and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. Welcome to part 2 of Fall Leaf Branch. If you somehow missed the first part, you can find the link to the first part in the description. Do check it out. In the first part, we learned how to crochet the leaf. In this part, we are going to see the finishing of this leaflet and the combining of the leaflets together to create the entire branch. So we did this much in the last part. Now in this part, we'll finish it off. So for doing that, we are going to start with twisting these two wires together. If you're fond of crocheting leaves, if you're fond of crocheting leaves and flowers, I have done a lot of different flowers and leaves tutorials in the past. You can find the link to the entire playlist in the description. I've done flowers like poppies, hydrangeas, bluebells, daisy, rose, and many such flowers. So you can create different flowers and leaves, and then you can mix and match them and create a customized bouquet for yourself. So do check out the link to the entire playlist in the description. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the wire is nice and twisted. Now to finish off the leaflet, I'm going to cover the wire with the floral tape. If you are not using floral tape, then you can also cover the wire with the yarn itself. You can do it with the same colored yarn, or you can also do it with a brown or a contrasting color yarn. Now just start wrapping right at the base of the leaf and go till the very end of the wire. When you reach the end, just snip off the tape. I don't prefer cutting it because snipping off gives a neater finish to the floral tape. So here the leaf is ready. Now for one leaf, I have done 7 leaflets. So prepare all 7 leaflets the same way, and then we will combine these together to create the leaf branch. So for the combination, for making the branch, I am using the thicker wire. This is the 1 mm wire. So let us start attaching the leaves to it. So the attachment again I am going to do with the floral tape. Again, if you are not using floral tape and if you are using the yarn, then you can do this step using the yarn. I'll start wrapping one of the leaves right at the base of the leaf only. I'll do it till about 1 inch. Then keep the stem wire and then start wrapping on both the leaf as well as the stem wire. Once you are done for about 1.5 to 2 inches, start attaching the leaves. So keep the leaf about 1 inch of the stem should be remaining on the leaf, and then start wrapping it. Now add the second leaf. I'm attaching them in the alternate directions. So we are going to have the leaves in all 4 directions. So keep adding them in that way. The leaves are about 1 inch below to the other ones, and I'm leaving about 1 inch stem in each of the leaves. If you want, you can have longer stems in the leaflets as well. And also if you want a different arrangement, you can do that also. Experiment with different arrangements and see which one you like the most. In nature, you can see that leaves, the compound leaves are in a number of different forms. Some of them have leaves in alternate fashion. Some of these have leaves coming together. Two leaves come out of the same point. So you can take reference from the nature and create a leaf branch for yourself. So now once you are done, wrap the entire branch with the floral tape or the yarn, whatever you are using. And then I'm just going to shape the leaflets. If you are enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. So your branch is ready. Create as many as you want in as many different colors. This is done in shades of yellow and orange and brown because I'll be using it for fall decoration. If you want to use it for any other occasion, if you are doing a wedding bouquet or if you are doing it for your home, you can easily customize the color of the leaves to match with the color theme that you are using. These are perfect for doing wedding bouquets as well. These can make independent wedding bouquet. You can have just these leaves in different colors and have a bouquet, or you can use these as fillers for any bouquet that you are creating.
Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making.
For floral arrangement, if you are using a simple vase, then you can actually put a single leaf branch also in that, or if you want, you can put a combination of these. You can use your creativity and customize the branches and the leaves as per your choice. You can change the color of the yarn, the thickness of the yarn. If you are using thicker yarn, you'll have bigger leaves. If you use thinner yarn, you'll have smaller leaves. Use the exact same pattern that we have done here. Follow the exact same tutorial, just change the thickness of the yarn. If you are doing that, make sure that you change the hook size accordingly. If you are using thicker yarn, go for a bigger hook size. If you are using thinner or finer yarn, go for a smaller hook size. If you are a beginner crocheter and if you have trouble crocheting around the wire, you can avoid the wire in the previous tutorial. You can simply crochet the leaf over the chain. It will not be as sturdy as you can see here because this is getting its form from the wire that we have put in. You can crochet it, the leaves will still look very nice, and then you can just follow that thing. The rest of the tutorial will be the same. Combine it to create the branch and you can use it for decorations. So if you are a beginner, avoid using the wire in the middle of the leaf. So this is all from my side today. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If somehow you missed the first part of the tutorial, do check out the link in the description to see how to crochet the individual leaflets. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. So thank you so much for watching and happy crochet. Bye bye.